Leonardo versus Midjourney. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will be talking about the difference between Leonardo AI and Midjourney. It is going to be a simple discussion. We're going to be focusing on Leonardo.ai for today's demonstration, and then we're going to be discussing along the way the difference between Leonardo and Midjourney. So let's get started. Now, the first thing or the first biggest difference between Leonardo AI and Midjourney is that Leonardo has its own website. Midjourney operates in Discord, wherein you're going to have to go to their main website and then you're going to have to get a invitation to join the Discord server. And you will be able to use and generate images through Discord servers and through different prompts like typing in commands in Midjourney through Discord server. Now, it is like that because they don't have their own website yet, so that's a big thing for our Leonardo AI over here, wherein we will be able to create and use any images absolutely for free in their own website. Now, for Midjourney, right now, it is currently paid. People are required to have a subscription to be able to fully utilize and fully use the different application or different AI image generation and versions in Midjourney. It also has a limited version, like in Midjourney, there's only versions 1 to 5. Right now, there's a 5.1 and like major versions and all of those versions. But in Leonardo, it has tons of different models as you can see here, and each model has a different capacity, different ways to produce different images depending on your prompt. Now, to be able to generate in Leonardo, you're going to have to click on AI image generation over here. Now, also one more thing, another thing that Midjourney does not have is the ability to extend an image. Like, it doesn't have the ability to extend sections of an image that it already produced. But in Leonardo, you will be able to do that with the AI canvas. Now, the AI canvas right now is currently in beta, so it won't be amazing. But as you can see here, we're going to give you a quick demonstration on how this works. You can upload an image over here from the community. Let's see, let's do a quick demonstration. For example, let's go with this one right now. We're going to open this and we're going to open it into our output right now. This is our character. We're going to click on this. And then we can simply select an area that we would like to extend to. For example, this bottom area over here, just like this. Then we can extend our size over here. And we could say just like that. And then we could say legs. Then it will try to create an output or create and extend our image over here with the legs. And then there will be limited number of images over here. Now in Midjourney, you are limited to 4 images. It's only going to print out or show you 4 different images at the time, and then you can simply request over and over again. And for this one, there's different options for the normal generation later on that I will show you in Leonardo over here. As you can see, you have 8 different images over here. And as you can see here, there's only a lot of options over here. It's not going to be perfect, by the way, depending on how you work out your prompts. Right now, it's not working properly, so we could cancel this and then we could do it again by rescaling our image over here, just like this. You can make it smaller, just like that. And we could ask it to generate once again. The trick with using the canvas is having enough space so that the AI will have awareness with its content, so it will be able to produce the result that you are trying to recreate. So let's see, and with this last demonstration, if we will be able to create the output that we want. And as you can see here, it was able to produce a leg that is properly or adjacent to our output over here. Although not perfect, like I said, the first one is barely or good, but there's a random foot over here. And that's one feature that Midjourney doesn't have. Now going back, now we're going to focus on the normal AI image generation over here. Now for the generation over here, you could choose from different options over here. Like I said, we have 8 images over here or 1 to 8. It depends on you on what or how many images you're going to display. You have your different settings over here like prompt magic, high contrast, prompt magic strength, public images, your aspect ratio over here. Now, when changing aspect ratio in Midjourney, you're going to have to type them individually, or like you have to manually type what type of image dimension you would like to have. Now here, as you can see, we didn't need to do that. We're just simply going to select it over here and it will automatically do it for us. And as you can see here, you have guidance scale, control net, and you can also upload your image over here that will be used for referencing. Now in Leonardo, there's a lot of things like a shortcuts for different features, but in Midjourney, you're going to have to do a lot of manual things. And for example, when doing referencing, you're going to have to upload it, like use the copy image address, all of those things that usually wouldn't be that hard with Leonardo, as you can see here. And also over here in the middle, this is where you're going to type in your prompt. Like in Leonardo or like in Midjourney, you can simply type in whatever prompt that you want, whatever output that you would like the AI to produce, and it will produce it based on that. And there's also different versions over here. As you can see, I have a lot of versions right now. Now, the original version or the original models being used in Leonardo are the Dream Shaper version 5, Leonardo Diffusion, Creative, Select, and Signature, Stable Diffusion 1.5, and Stable Diffusion 2.1. Those are the normal or like the default models that you are using, or basically versions. And you could click on Select Custom Model, which would allow you to check out different models from the platform, as you can see here. And that's a difference between Midjourney and Leonardo. Now, personally, I like the interface of Leonardo, if only it has the ability of Midjourney, because Midjourney is of course the best at producing amazing images. And although we have so many AI outputs there, or AI image generator, nothing beats Midjourney with its output and quality. But the thing is, it's going to be paid from now on, or like it's been a subscription type of application right now, so you can't really access it absolutely for free. But Leonardo is absolutely for free, so that's a big difference as well. And as you can see here on their homepage, you will be able to see different creations similar to Midjourney. You can also see the different creations of the community and check them out. And you will be able to see the prompts as well if you would like to recreate them and like paste it over here and generate them as well. And as you can see here, these are the different outputs that I have already produced with Leonardo. As you can see here, different outputs, like I use the referencing style and all of those outputs over here. And using Leonardo is very easy. Like for example, we're going to copy a prompt over here. We're going to go with this one, this lion output over here. We're going to copy our prompt over here, copy, and we're going to paste it over here, just like that. And then you could also have a negative prompt, which would be things that you don't like to see on your original output. So as you can see, we're going to copy our negative prompt over here and paste it over here. And that's very easy to navigate. You are going to be less confused using Leonardo compared to Midjourney, because in Midjourney everything is cramped and you won't really be able to produce the output that you're trying to get, or it's going to be visually confusing in Midjourney because the way Discord displays its messages. But as you can see here, we're simply going to see our output over here. We have 4 images because we have selected 4 images over here on the left side. Now, as you can see here also, I have tokens. Now, the more image I generate, the more tokens is going to be used. And each generation will take at least 1 or 2 tokens. And you only have 150 tokens per day. And it will regenerate every 12 hours. So don't worry, you will be able to start creating images right away. And as you can see here, we have amazing photos over here, very similar to our output over here. And it is very easy to duplicate outputs. It's in the community section over here. You can simply copy and paste them in your prompts over here. Now, to be able to download your image, you can simply hover on the image that you like and click on download. You can also have HD Smooth Upscaler. You have your variants over here. Use image for image, edit in Canvas, and HD Crisp as upscaler over here. And you can also delete the specific image if you would like to delete the image. It is completely up to you. And there's also plans in Leonardo, of course, and we can check that out. We can click on upgrade plan. And as you can see, we have your $10 per month, $24 per month, and $48 per month. This is for yearly, which is up to 20% off, as you can see. And there will be a lot of different outputs or different features that will be available depending on your plan, as you can see here. And that's it, guys. Those are like the biggest main difference between Leonardo AI and Midjourney. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.